Hello, everybody. Let's see if I can adjust this. Okay, here I am. Hi, guys. Happy Saturday. I put together something that I thought I would share. On Tuesday, David and I are starting our 6-week entrepreneur coaching group. So we opened it up again because we thought this actually was a really good time to do it. And what I'm going to share with you are my top 9 reasons why you should join our entrepreneur coaching group, which is starting on Tuesday. Okay, by the way, I love grid paper. I use it all the time. First reason, you might think otherwise, but there is honestly no better time like the present. If you are at home and you're reading news and you're watching Netflix, great. But this is a really good time to have a goal and to start building your business. So there's my first reason. Here's the other one. When everyone is zigging, this is an awesome time to zag. So everybody's feeling paralyzed, everybody is feeling stuck, everybody is feeling confused. And if you can get yourself to build and to think about your business in a whole new way, this is your opportunity. I think that the playing field is not as crowded right now, and it's easier to get attention today because people are looking for distraction, for solutions. And if you can put that right in front of them, you will grow. So think about it that way. Okay. The next one is everything. Can you read that? Everything is moving online, and you should too. I don't know about you, but I've got Amazon packages showing up multiple times a day. And just, you know this if you have children and your children aren't in school anymore or aren't in physical school, because everything is moving online. And if you want to grow a business right now, I wouldn't recommend it be a brick and mortar business, but I would recommend it be an online business. Starting a blog or an online business, this is how you take your fate in your own hands. So many of us have lost jobs, the rug has been pulled out from under us. And I believe everybody should have a blog, and everybody should think about how to monetize it, because it is a way to control your future, to build security for your family. Honestly, again, I don't think there's a better time. Now, this is the truth. Online business takes a while to grow, so start now. Money doesn't just come flying in as soon as you post your first blog post. I always call it a long slog. It's building blocks. It's making smart decisions up front, and then slowly building on that and gaining momentum and getting the Google algorithm and the Pinterest algorithm and Facebook and Instagram all working together to help give you this momentum. But it's a slow build, especially at the beginning. So that's why I recommend you start now. Oh, this is a nice one. So then give yourself something to show up for and gets you off of news. What I discovered when we were doing our last coaching group, it was right as the world shut down, and I thought to myself, "Oh my God, we can't be doing this during this weird time." And then because I was just freaked out, and of course I was addicted to news. And what I realized was having to show up for my group, this group, it gave me something to care about and got me out of my own fears. And there was something very powerful about connecting with people during this time. So I think having a reason to show up, and you don't have to shower, you can come in your pajamas, but there is something about making a date and being there. And I think it shifts your whole mental state. Okay. This is also what is phenomenal about this. You get to be part of a vibrant, kind community. We're all feeling a little isolated, a little trapped, a little scared. So to meet new people who are rooting for you, who you can root for, who you can learn with, who you can support, is so powerful. And what's interesting about it is it's a group of entrepreneurs but everybody is doing it slightly differently. And so you get to learn not just from David and me, but from each other. And that's something really powerful. I think it's like the special sauce. The special sauce. Okay. In the group, this is great. So David and I teach it together. He is a technologist. And we've started Catch My Party and MiloTree and my podcast, the Blogger Genius podcast, and now our coaching group. And so you get strategy, tactics, and you get real tech help. So let's say you decide that you need to change up your nav bar and you don't know how to do that. We're there to help you. Or you need to add something somewhere on your blog. We'll help you. And that's really unique because you don't usually get a technologist, somebody who lives and breathes technology and understands bloggers. So, and that's all included, and that is something really, I think, unique about this. And then this is the last reason. This is my number 9. And it's the people need you, especially during this time. So as we build businesses, it's really all about solving problems for our community. And if you have a solution, this is the time to put it out there because you can touch people with your solution. So you don't want to keep it inside. You want to share it and you want to help people. And if you can make money at the same time, more power to you. So think about it, because people do need you. We all need each other right now. Okay, I am going to put a link right now after I finish this to my calendar. So if you want to chat with me over the weekend, I'm around, and I would love to talk to you. So there'll be a link to my Calendly, which is my calendar, and we can get on a call and I can hear about your business and I can let you know how we can help you, because I know we can. And I'd love you to be part of this because I love this group so much. Okay, so here are the details. Oh, you always reinforce this journey. Thank you. Jenny, you are so sweet. Oh, thank you. And Jenny was a participant in our last coaching group, so she can attest to it. So thank you for saying that. Okay, the coaching group, $300 for 6 weeks, and you get workshops, Q&A sessions, a community. Again, I just love the community. And it's all in a private Facebook group. We show up live, but everything's taped so you can access it whenever. But again, I recommend you show up for yourself. I recommend you build something now. I recommend you not watch as much news as we all want to. And we feel so out of control. I feel so out of control. And this is a way to gain some control back. So I don't think there's a better time than joining now. So if you have any questions, leave them, but I'm going to leave a link to my calendar. I'd love to talk to you this weekend, and I wish you all a wonderful, healthy, happy Saturday.